Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my very first unboxing of my Influenster Voxbox. So today's main topic of discussion is a brand new product that just came out by the brand Ole Henriksen. So if you guys want to see my unboxing for today, then please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Joy. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. Yes, I do a variety of different videos. It's different every time. So if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that little bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, so here's the box. Again, this was sent to me by Influenster and Ole Henriksen to review. So thank you again for giving me this opportunity. It almost looks like there's like candy in here. Like almost like those little orange sliced candies. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? It just looks so delicious. It looks yummy. Like I want to eat the box. Okay, so I don't know what's in here. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I received this package 2 days ago. So I wanted to save it for this unboxing so that way we can unbox it together. So here we go. So again, here's the cute little box. And the first thing that I see is some writing on the box, and basically it says the new C Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and it says 24-hour hydration, instantly boosts moisture by 140%. What? And it says we have a hashtag skin crush on you. That's super cute. So here's a little pamphlet. It basically has a little bit of information and some insight on the product. And it says the daily effects of stress, fatigue, and pollution can leave skin looking dry and dull. Fight back with the new C Rush Brightening Gel Cream, the 24-hour rush of moisture you can see. Get it? C, like vitamin C. So, and then it also says with 3 sources of vitamin C and rows of winter extract, clinically tested to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. God knows I need that. Hurry. And on the back it just has some other information by Influenster. So yeah. Alright. So there's some orange tissue. Super cute. Here is the actual product right here. We'll get into this in a minute. And then, ooh, what is this? Oh my goodness. You get this massive like cosmetics pouch or like little skincare pouch, and it just says hashtag Ole Glow, and on the back it has the Ole Henriksen logo. Super cute. I'm gonna open this up and check out the bag. It's lined in the inside, so you can definitely put liquid items in here and it's easy cleanup. And there's a little H at the zipper pull. Super cute bag. I definitely will take this with me when I travel, so super cute. And I think that's pretty much it. So it's just more tissue and the box is empty. Alright guys, so this is the product right here. This is the C Rush Brightening Gel Cream by Ole Henriksen. So they did send me the full size, which is a 1.7 fluid ounce of 50 ml. This retails for $44 US, and I believe you can purchase this product at Sephora, Sephora.com, and also OleHenriksen.com. Alright, so I'm just going to read to you guys some details and little tidbits on the product, and I'm referring it to the Ole Henriksen website, so it's just OleHenriksen.com. So basically, this moisturizer delivers 24-hour hydration, it brightens, it firms, it improves concealer wear, and targets fine lines and wrinkles. So you experience a 24-hour rush of moisture, you can see, and it just has like the letter C. The daily effects of stress, fatigue, and pollution can leave skin looking dry and dull. Fight back with the C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This innovative peachy tinted gel cream instantly illuminates and delivers an energizing burst of 24-hour hydration. Ooh, that's awesome. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, renews youthful radiance, and firms skin. But that's not all. It even improves the makeup application, creating a smooth, hydrated canvas for foundation and concealer. So this is also good for under eyes. What? Powered by 3 sources of vitamin C and Rose of Winter, it imparts a rush of brightness you can see. A soft, supple, crush-worthy Ole glow. That's awesome, you guys. These claims are just like everything you want in a moisturizer, like honestly. So its main target points are delivers 24-hour hydration, it brightens, it firms, and it targets fine lines and wrinkles. So if you guys are wondering how this is applied, it basically says to apply evenly to face and neck, AM and PM after Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. And I've heard of that serum before, and a lot of people swear by that serum. Gently massage in an upward circular motion for external use only and use as directed. All right, so now it's time to open up this box. There's like a little sticky little doodad on the box here. So I'm just gonna kind of, I don't want to rip it up. I want to be as gentle as possible. Okay, here we go. So inside the box, on top of the label, it says, always be true to yourself. Cheers, Ole. That is so cute. It's like positive right when you open this box. That's amazing. And the first thing I see in the box is just like this little insert. And it's basically just what it is and how to apply and little tidbits and information on this little sheet. And here is the moisturizer. And nothing else in the box. So if I could describe the packaging, it comes in like, I want to say plastic top, plastic base, and it's like a foggy kind of an orange container or jar. So again, it just has some information on the back of the jar, so how to use it, when to use it, and whatnot. And in the front, it just has the Ole Henriksen Truth, and it says C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream right here. And then it says 3 sources of vitamin C and Rose of Winter extract. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I cannot wait to smell this because I've heard so many reviews. A lot of people were saying this smells like a creamsicle pop. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically the orange popsicle with like the little cream in the middle or in the center. Hello. So here we are. I'm just taking the little top off. Oh my gosh. It totally smells like a creamsicle pop, you guys. This smells like heaven. This smells amazing, you guys. You guys want to smell it? It smells so good. People were not lying about how it smells like a creamsicle pop. Oof. So that's what it looks like right there. It's kind of like a orangey tint, if you will. And again, it smells so good. So right now I'm just gonna kind of dip my fingers in the product. Obviously it's a jar, it does not come in a pump, so you're gonna have to use your fingers to apply the product. And obviously because I have a full faced makeup, I'm not gonna apply the moisturizer on my face, but I am going to apply it on my hand and kind of give you guys a side by side of what that looks like. So here we go. I'm just gonna take some of this product, about that much, and I'm just gonna apply it on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, it is lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I put quite a bit. And it literally feels so nice and smooth. And instantly, you guys, it moisturized my hand. And I didn't put lotion on my hands for the sake of this video because I knew I was gonna apply it and test it. Do you guys see the difference? This side is like super dry and dull, and this side right here is super moisturized and just brighter. Look at that. Look at that instant difference, you guys. Wow. You guys, I'm so super excited to try this. I'm definitely going to try this tomorrow first thing after I wash my face, and I'm going to use it AM and PM to see how this wears on my skin. And I will definitely update you guys, but I will update you guys I think on Instagram, so I'll post something on my Insta story or something like that. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have all of my links below, so definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already following me. But yes, I'm so excited, you guys. This cream is like everything. So far, so good. My hand feels so smooth. And it smells like it. It still smells like that popsicle, creamsicle. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm obsessed. Alright guys, so that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of my first ever Influenster Voxbox. And I hope you guys also enjoyed my little mini review on the Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell. And that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a fabulous rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Like a tug of war, what's it all for? Do I want it back?